Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
So I'll give a big round of applause.
Da kajing angnot ban ai kajing syakri ya ki riu temen ki bumdan syu ki nong sumar bat ki bapet bakmi ha kajing long temen ka jongki ka Kripa Foundation hapo kajing penia jong ka kong Victoria Walang ha ka singi tho dieng ka khat khandai tarik unai lar arajar arpuar kalala ban Plie pat ba ya ka jakari ya ki riu temen ya ka bala ai kerteng kum ka Kripa Victoria Senior Citizen Home ka badan ha ka shinong Umroi. Ya kani ka ying la Plie pat ba do Father Joe Pereira jong ka Kripa Foundation Founder Trustee. Ha ka jingiran lang ka Secretary jong ka tanat ka koit ka kya jong ka Sorkar Jala ka Kong Rosetta M. Kurba ka District Social Welfare Officer jong ka Ribhoy District ka Kong Emmy Karshandi bat kiway.
As well as the economy at large.
Very unique, sensitive area which Gabor Mate, the erectionologist, has proclaimed today all over the world, and that is the phenomenon called trauma. All of us have gone through trauma. In fact, we are relating to one another, coming from our archetypes that came from that trauma. And so in Kripa, we heal these traumas. We give people new archetypes. Through yoga, we can do this. I say yoga because yoga is one science that doesn't stop only on thinking, that doesn't stop only on the body, but it makes the body learn how to relearn to live. And that on the cellular consciousness level, yatha pinde tatha brahmande. As it is for us on a cellular consciousness level, so it is on the global level. What is our last song that we like to sing?
Nadu baganang khana ngasachu. You know, ngadon ka to komisyon ng pagkiliki batamente gastonat ikitaman. They have don't we them lecture for Singapore, no? So that I visited this old age home. I was so impressed by the care jongkiliki organizer. Then dangan lecture shalom te dangan pisa ngan kani, which is not possible because they have got 10 acres of land, and the facilities which they give also super. Then knowledge for Calcutta, old age home to Commander Teresa, and the late Hantu Kakta pala in Hantu long M. Kumniya ngampwa ikibriyo bakin dong kitamente bakin bam kumniya I will give them the best. Namabalay few more years take in im. Take kidiban kiman kidiban yo kababahatam ken. Siya bakin late na kani kapatid. Katakan. Tinakran bikikon mga sharat whatever it is, this will be my last project. And I want it to happen. Naki semi-privates and these cottages will charge them. Whatever money we get from these private rooms, then we'll take care of the dormitory. But I have a fixed amount from my whatever savings I have to go straight to the dormitory. Those who don't have anybody to take care. Hindi kito gibawan off and take care. No. Kito gibang dan si sa manong but take care iki. We will take care. Give them shelter, food and medicine, medical care.
What we've done is that prior to the opening, we had already kept it on the newspapers for any employees that want to work here, nurses, doctors. So from that background check, we've already started training all the staff that we've employed. How it's going to start. We've given them training in Kripa De-Addiction Center for Children. They've been there for a month now, especially for documentation purposes, legalities and everything. The other thing is that from a legal perspective, we've been working with a lawyer for the past 2 years on this. Because the last thing we want is we don't want anybody to say that, oh, we've set this up and then we have any legal issues. We don't want any of that. So the entire legal team background check, that will also be done by our lawyers, and also from our outreach workers to actually go and see the facilities where they live in, whether or not they need shelter or not. Because so the outreach team that we have, which is a team of counsellors as well, to really see whether they need the care, because we don't want, like Mom had said earlier, somebody to use this as a dumping ground. We don't want that. We want people to come here. It's like their final wish as well, and we want to take care of them. And we want to take care of them the best way we can. I think Kripa has grown because of the facilities that we've provided for them, and we want to do the same here. Our journey started, I think, in 2012. I think 2012. I perpetually fell ill quite badly. I think that was the second time I fell ill, and I was, then I realized at that time doctors couldn't really take care of me, or they said that I need a surgery every 7-8 months, right, Apollo, and also I met Father Joe, and then he said that come with me to Rishikesh. I'll give you something, and with blind faith I said, okay, let's go. And I never looked back since, and neither did I have to visit a doctor after that. So because of that, I think I feel like I need to serve. Serving man's like serving God, and this is what I can do. This is the best I can do is just give time not only to the clients, but to the to my staff. They are caregivers.